Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Huda's Anything Anywhere, and in this video we're going to discuss about fractions. So let me tell you what is a fraction first of all. If you people there's a cake, if you're having a cake and there's a cake suppose, and that cake is we say it as 1. Now if you want to divide that cake in two pieces, two portions, we say it as 1 by 2. We have done in 1 by 2. If you want to do it in 4 pieces, you say as 1 by 4. Now this is a fraction, this is a fraction, correct? Now in this fraction you will have some terms. Let me tell you those terms first. So those terms are nothing but numerator and denominator. It is nothing but your numerator and denominator. These are the two terms. Let me tell you what are these terms actually in. See, if I'm 1 second, yeah. Now I have these, see, 1 by 2. So the above one is nothing but your numerator, the below one is nothing but your denominator. Am I clear? Now let's go for next thing which I wanted to share. We all know what are fundamental, 1 second, what is fundamental signs, right? Fundamental operations, actually we say it as fundamental operations. We have how many fundamental operations? We have 4 fundamental operations. So what are those 4 fundamental operations? I'll tell. Yeah, okay, so those 4 fundamental operations are nothing but your addition, it's subtraction, correct, multiplication, and the last one is division. Correct, we have 4 fundamental operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So in fractions also we use these things. So let me tell you first with addition. With my part 1 I'll discuss addition, part 2 subtraction, part 3 multiplication and part 4 division. So let me start with it. Multiplication, addition with all. So in this we are going to study the addition of fractions. Okay, yeah. Hey, so we were studying about fractions of addition. Now see, I have got two fractions, 1 by 2 and 2 by 2. Here, if you can see 2, that this denominator again, here again 2, both are same. The denominators of the two fractions are same. You know, there can be 3 fractions, 4 fractions to add. I'll tell it later. So see, there are 2 fractions given, in their denominators are same. That is why I have kept by 2 common. Now I have kept by 2 common, and 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 by 2. I have got this answer. Now I'll show you another situation. Just let me erase this. Yeah, so my another situation is like, if suppose I take 1 by 3 and if suppose I take 2 by 4. Now what can you see here is 3 and 4 are the denominators, but those are not same. That is why we need to take the LCM, and if you take the LCM you will get to know answer will be 12, right? 3 into 4 is something but 12. Now see, one more thing I want to tell you. 3 and 4, these two don't go in each other's table. 3 factor is 1 and 3, 4 factor is 1 comma 2 comma 4, correct? But except 1, these two are, 1 is only having common, 1 is the common. That is why what we are going to do is, instead of taking LCM, we can directly multiply 3 into 4 and 4 into 3. Let me show you. 3 into 4 and 4 into 3. LCM is something but 12 you will get. Now whenever you are multiplying the denominator by any number, with the same number you need to multiply in the numerator. That is why we have to multiply here into 4 and into 3 here. So 1 into 4 is nothing but 4, plus 2 into 3 is nothing but 2 3s are 6. 3 into 4 is nothing but 12. Again 4 into 3 is nothing but 12. Correct. Now one more thing I just wanted to say, means now here what you can see, what you can observe. Now you can see that both the denominators are equal. That is why before one how we did, we'll keep both the denominators as common. 4 plus 6 by 12 is equal to 1 second. We will do 4 plus 3, 4 plus 6 by 12 is equal to, what is 4 plus 6? Is nothing but 10 by 12. This much answer is also correct either, or else what you can do, you can just just cancel it, like 2 5s are and 2 6s are. At the last you will get answer as 5 by 6. It's better that you cancel and get the answer. Okay, so this was today's video. And yeah, one more thing I just wanted to share is that now the first situation was both the denominators were equal. Second was both the denominators were equal but they were not going in each other's table, means they were not going in some table where they both can come. But now if I say, suppose if I am writing 3 by 15 plus 2 by 10, what can you see here? You can see here that 15 and 10, they go in a table, they go in 5 table, correct? Means they both are going in 5 table. That is why you need to take the LCM of this two. So let me take the LCM. I am taking LCM, lowest common multiple. So 15 comma 10, they both will go in which table? 5 I said, right? So 5 3s are, again 10 will be common. You need to do LCM, means all with prime factors, right? Again what you will do is 5, again 3 is common, again 2. So what you got is that you have got here 5 into 5, you have got 5 into 5, that is nothing but 25. Again here it was 3, so 25 into 3 you got, you have to multiply it. So I'll just show it how to do it. So 1 second, let me erase this all. So we were taking out the LCM, right? So we were taking the LCM of 15 comma 10, that is nothing but 2, sorry, it should be 5, correct? It should be 1 second, yeah, it should be 5 3s are and 5 2s are, correct? We can do directly 5 2s are 10. So we have got 3 prime numbers. Now I can't divide it more, we cannot cancel it more. So 5 into 3, it's something but 5 3s are 15, and again 3 into 15 into 2 is something but 30. So we have got the LCM as 30. Now what was our before question? It was nothing but, I'll just write the question again. It was 3 by 15 plus any number you can take, just I'm taking the denominator as 10, suppose. So here what was the LCM? We got LCM as 30. Now in 15 table, how many times 30 will come? It is nothing but 15 2s are 30 and 10 into 3 is 30. Now that you have multiplied 2 in denominator, you also need to multiply 2 in the numerator also. Now that you have multiplied 3 in the denominator, you need to multiply 3 in the numerator also. So let's solve this. So 3 into 2 is nothing but 6 by 30 plus 3 into 3 is nothing but 9 by 30. Now you can see that both are common denominators, correct? That is why now we can take both denominators as common, that is 6 plus 9 we can do. So let me do that also for you. Correct. So we have got 6 plus 9 by 30, that is something but you will get answer as 15 by 30. This much is also correct. I'm so sorry. Or else you can just cancel it, like 15 1s are and 15 2s are, you have got the answer as 1 by 2. This was the way you need to do. Don't just, if suppose 3 by 2 is given and plus 5 by 6 is given, don't ask 3 plus 5 as 8 and again 2 plus 6 as 8 again. Just don't do that. When denominators are not equal, you need to make them equal. I have showed in the 2 steps how you have made equal. I have showed the 2 ways how to make equal. So you have understood. If you have understood the video, please hit the like button. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Until my next video, in which I will be explaining you all about multiplication. Till that time, bye. So I hope you have understood. So just hit the like button and don't forget to comment me. Bye.